How to use the word okay. Welcome to Spotlight. I'm Liz Wade, and I'm calling Northern. Spotlight uses a special English method of broadcasting. It's easier for people to understand no matter where in the world they live. Does your language use any English words? Yes, no, hello. Languages often borrow words from each other. English speakers use many words that have come from other languages. For example, you may hear an English speaker say something like this. I cannot believe I made the poor pass in front of everyone. The words poor pass mean a social mistake. They are French, but many English speakers use them. Another example is the word prima donna. This phrase is Italian. It means first lady. English speakers use it to speak about someone who only thinks about themselves. Many languages also use English words. For example, they use the words computer, internet, and email. However, none of these are the most commonly used English word. Do you know what is okay? Yes, the word is okay. Today's spotlight is on the word okay. The word okay is an informal spoken word. You will almost never find it in formal speeches, news, media, or books, but it is one of the most common English words. It is also one of the most common English exports from the United States. English professor Alan Metcalf wrote a book about the word okay. He told CBS News, "There is no other word that is as widely recognized throughout the whole world. No other American English word has had so much success like that." In a general way, okay signals a proper acceptance or agreement. People can use it in many different ways. Here are some ways to use the word okay. First, okay can be an adjective or an adverb. It can describe an act or a thing. In this way, it means alright or fine. Are you okay? Here is another example. I hope the children are okay. I hope the children are okay while we are going. It can also mean fine, but not so great. Did you enjoy the dinner last night? It was okay. Okay can also be an act or a thing, a verb or a noun. Did you both give you the time that you asked for? Yes, she okayed it. Okay is also common as an interaction. It can appear suddenly or on its own. In this way, it can simply mean yes or sure. Can you please wash the dishes? Okay. Or it can signal that people need to attend. Okay, time to begin, please. It can also mean enough. Okay, please stop now. Okay, we are done with this part anyway. You have already heard how many different meanings the word okay has. But did you know that the meaning also changes depending on how you say it? The tone of a person's voice makes a difference. Their meaning can change no matter how you use it. For example, the sentence "it was okay" could be positive or negative. How was the show? It was okay. What do you think this person meant? What about this next example? How was the show? It was okay. The first answer says that the person was not really satisfied, but he couldn't think of something bad to say. The second answer says that the person was satisfied. A person's tone also changes the meaning of the word okay as an interjection. I think we should visit our brother tonight. Okay, okay. The first person is okay to ask for agreement. The second person is okay to express questioning or doubt. Okay is a small word, but it has many different uses. So where this confusing complex words come from? People debate the origin of the word okay. The airline is declared in print was in 1839 in the city of Portland. At the time, it was popular to use groups of the letters to signal words. It was also common to spell the words incorrectly using the word letters. As a joke, a Portland newspaper used the letters O and K to mean all correct. The O means all and the K means correct. Around the same time, US President Martin Van Buren began to use the word. He was the president and he was trying to get elected again. His political party used the saying "vote for OK." Van Buren was from a town in New York called Kinderhook. In this case, he used the letters OK to mean Old Kinderhook. Their saying tried to give the message that Old Kinderhook was all okay, all correct. Van Buren lost the election, but many language experts think that the election saying had to make okay a common word. This explanation may also explain the unusual spelling of the word okay. People can write okay in the two ways. They can write the words using just the letters O and K, or they can write in this way O-K-A-Y, and both ways correct. Other language experts think the word has a Native American origin. The Choctaw people are one of the many Native American groups. The Choctaw language has the word okay. This word means this is almost the same meaning as today's word okay. As early as 25 Greek Bible translators used okay in their Choctaw Bible translation. In the 20th century, US President Woodrow Wilson used the Choctaw language to sign documents as okay. Other language experts say that okay came from West Africa. Some West African languages have interaction words that are similar to okay. For example, the word okay in the Patun and Wolof languages or OK in the mother language. This word also commonly signal agreement when American people were brought to the United States or as slaves. The other theory is that American slaves used these words when speaking English. After a time, the use spread to the rest of the English-speaking population. No one knows which story is true, but today, "okay" is now one of the most common words in English. People use it all the time everywhere. "Okay" is now an international word, but Professor Metto believes that it expresses a cultural value of the United States. He told CBS News. It is wrong, it is strong, it is simple. People from the United States do not complex ways of life. And OK is about as short and simple as you can get. Okay, so after hearing this program, are you okay with Spotlight? Or or it is just okay? Can you give your okay to our programs? Or would you use another word? We are okay if you are okay. Do you use the word okay? Do you use words from other languages in your language? Tell us about experiences. You can email us at contact@spotlightenglish.com. You can also find us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. The writer of this program was Jan Hawkins. The producer was Michio Ozaki. The voices you heard were from United States and the United Kingdom. On quotes were adapted for this program and voices by Spotlight. You can listen to this program again and read it on the internet and www.spotlightenglish.com. This program is called How to Use the Word OK. Visit our website to download our free official app for Android and Apple devices. We hope you can join us again for the next Spotlight program. Goodbye.